What is going on, crypto family? This is your boy Random Arts coming with a quick video. And on this video, guys, we're going to be talking about 3 mistakes that I made during the 2018 2020 crypto bear market. So, before I get into it, guys, like always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love to hear you guys' thoughts and opinion about the crypto market. So, guys, let's start off with number one. I put it out on the tweet so that way I didn't forget. But number one, I did not focus, guys. During the last bear market, I did not focus. And back then, right now we're having a meme craze. Like everybody want to get into this different meme and stuff like that. Back in 2018, 2020, it was ICOs. Guys, I got rugged so many times in these ICOs thinking like, hey, the excitement, that's what I was chasing because I seen how it was during the bull market. And of course, ICOs started popping off a little bit. And with the ICOs, like you could have put, a few $100, few $1,000, and boom, you 1,000x during the ICOs. But that started dying down, and that's typically the reality of a lot of things. The first time it happened, it caught you by surprise. The second time it happens, people are after the first time it happened, people are looking for that second time, the next Pepe, the next Bitcoin, the next whatever coin, and that's typically the norm in any market cycle. Right now, we're currently seeing Pepe 2 or Pepe 2. I think that's what it's called. Let me see if I can find it. Yep. Pepe 2 is being talked about. And a lot of people are like, oh, this is going to $1 billion. These type of crypto, these type of tokens, guys, you treat them as what there is. I'm not going to tell you, hey, you shouldn't, invest in them. But these are day trades. If you think like these are going to be long term, valuable tokens, then I'm sorry, like you're mistaking hype for something that's actually being built. Now, could it be in the future? Absolutely, but that comes through like a plan, like the dev saying, "Hey, we're gonna set this up," and even that could be BS. But the thing of the matter is, like during a bear cycle, even though that tokens are popping off, in my opinion, I'm keeping away. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm not getting into any random coin just because it's, I think it might do 1,000x. And if I do get into it, I am putting as minimal capital as possible, guys. I'm talking about $50 at most at some of these plays. So that was the number one thing that I messed up in 2018 to 2020, trying to get in all these different ICOs. So instead of it being ICOs, it's meme tokens. So that's number one. Number two is I did not buy the dip. You know, a lot of times, and I mentioned this before in the past, like people were, YouTubers, talking about good content creators, wasn't focusing on the ICOs. They were focusing more on the the large caps. So large cap crypto or well known cryptos or cryptos that had some type of utility. And the fact of the matter is, had I just did that, because Cardano, that was one of the big ones for me. Because back then, this was at 2 cents, guys. I remember seeing it at 2 cents. And I was like, man, this thing is dead. Like it's not gonna do anything. Just kind of like how people are fading Shiba Inu. Like during this time process, guys, I remember, seeing it at 3 cents and seeing the price, high got to 9 cents. And after that, it just started bleeding and bleeding and bleeding. And it was bleeding through the bear market, guys. And it got me discouraged to the point I was like, I don't want to hold Cardano anymore. I don't want to hold ADA anymore. Instead, what I should have been doing is buying the dip on all of this. So the same thing could be said right now with Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, it has use case, but a lot of people are fading it. You know why they're fading it? Because they see another shiny object. Again, during a bear market is not the time to look for shiny objects. during the bear market is to accumulate the assets that the assets that have use case, the assets that's going to be around, you know. And right now, look what's happening to Shiba Inu. It's getting faded. It's currently ranked number 19 now. From 15, 16, 17, 18, now it's at 19. But right now, good time to be able to accumulate buying these dips. Some people might say Random Marts already bought the dip. Like, if you still have capital and you're still able to constantly get capital, for me, what I'm doing, I'm buying weekly. I'm buying something weekly. So that way I can set myself up during the bull market. Like, I'm telling you guys, buying the dip, like, it's historically worked for, throughout all these different cycles of Bitcoin, dating back all the way back from, the inception of Bitcoin. Buying the dips during the bear cycle works. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel or anything like that. It just works. As it sits right now, we're about 8 to 9 months away from the Bitcoin halving. And I'll make a separate video explaining what to expect after the halving as far as with these altcoins. But again, right now for me, I'm buying Sheeb, I'm buying Bone, I'm buying Fun, bought Flux. Like, I'm buying all these different crypto projects with potential, and all it is just potential. And I'm staying away from these Pepes and all this and that. If I do invest in a Pepe or one of these meme coins, I'm doing it as a day trade. It's a nail and bell for me. And the third thing, guys, that I did was actually get out of crypto after 3 to 6 months before the halving. That was like one of the biggest things, because one thing about it, guys, Bitcoin, it could still go down. Like, people think just because institutional money is coming into crypto and all this and that the price have to stay up. That's not the case. Like, this was the last shakeout that got me out of crypto right here, guys. It was right here, March. Matter of fact, it was, so from March March of 2020 was when I got out of crypto. And the halving happened in May. So it was actually 2 months. So I got out of crypto 2 months before the halving due to the fact that I couldn't stomach. I was like, here we go again. Bitcoin's going down. This asset's going down. And of course, I missed all of this where I could have just been dip buying from all here. I could have been dip buying all right here and all right here. Instead, I end up getting back into crypto right around March, or right before March. Yep, right around February, March. That's when I got back in. But look at how high I got back into it. Like, we're nearly at the top. So I'm literally getting at the top. And luckily, I was able to find Shiba Inu, before it had that run up and before it had this second run up right here as well. So this is what I mean, guys. 3 mistakes I'm seeing people make this on the daily basis. And I even see influencers, unfortunately, I wouldn't say leading people astray, but because they don't know what they don't know. Because I can't fault people for being ignorant. But this type of stuff that they're doing right now, that they're ignorantly doing, that ain't it. If you want to make money, if you want to make, as far as like easy money, like predictable, this is the predictable place. Finding meme coins to try to 100 and 1000x, that's hard. That's hard. Unless if you have a little bit of fun that you could just, throw the dart at the board and see what sticks, or throw the noodle at the wall and see what sticks. That's what that is. Let me know, guys, in the comment below whether or not you agree with my statements. But these are my personal experience, 3 mistakes that I made in the past, and I have not repeated them. But yeah, guys, Random Mart signing off. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, still like it. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Random Mark signing off. Peace.